everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, I am going to show you how to make these lovely felt flowers. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you are following me on social media. All of that is linked below. If you would also like to follow my vlog channel, that is linked below, along with the links to me and my husband's movie review channel and the link to his podcast channel. But you may know that I have been working on updating my website, and these are actually going to be a part of that. My shop, the link to my shop is down below. Right now it has very few items on it just because I'm updating it, and I will be adding new things to my website very soon. But I wanted to show you how to make these since I'm already making them for the site. I thought it would be a good idea to show you also how to make these for yourself. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is a circle. Depending on how big or how small you want the flower to be, you can do different sizes. I use my circle ruler or template for this. I posted this on one of my other videos, but I will leave the Amazon link down below for these. So I'm going to use the bigger one today. So I normally just trace that and then cut the circle out. This is going to be for the leaves for the flower. I have this little flat back pearl here. I will also leave the Amazon link below as to where I bought these from, and this soft rollover elastic, which I absolutely love. I'm using a glue gun today. You can sew this if you like. It just makes it easier to use the glue gun, and I have these tweezers to help me pick up this little pearl. Let's get to making this flower. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Again, I made these using a circle, and as you can see, I kind of rough cut the flower. If you want to use a template, I don't have one personally. It was just easier for me to freehand this, but I know if you Google, there are several templates out there free that you can download for the flower if you don't like the rough look. I like it because it gives more of a personal handmade feel to it. This one I made a little wider than these. I tightened these up a lot more than I did this one, but I wanted this to look different than the other ones. So I also used glitter because I thought it looks so much better. Even though this is prettier, this looks a little bit more delicate with the leather. Also, I freehanded this. If you would like to use a template, you can do that also. Again, you can just go online and Google, because I don't have one. In the future, if you would like to have me do templates and free downloads for some of the tutorials that I do on here, just let me know and I'll get into making those. But I think this is really cute. Picture day is coming up with back to school being in session, so I made this one wide enough for autumn. These are made for, this one is made for a newborn, this one is made for a newborn toddler, depending on the head size, and I made this elastic long enough to go around to my daughter's head, which is really small. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please help me by giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new and you're not subscribed, make sure you do that as well. If you would like to follow me on social media, you can do that. All of that information is in the description, as well as the link to my vlog channel, me and Greg's movie review channel, and his podcast channel. Also, the link to my shop is down there, and the link to my blog. You can visit my shop right now. I will be announcing when I will be uploading all of the things that I've made for that site. Once it's back up and running, I will be adding to it more often, so you can utilize that. But the basis of that shop will be hair bows. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure we're sharing my videos out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do that giveaway. And I will see you next time. Bye.